So I thought I'd give a brief look at the car. So what I'm going to do is reset the odometer, and you can see the average miles per kilowatt hour is 4.1. And we'll take a look at Torque Pro, and you can see it says it's getting 47 kilowatts into the battery. That's good. Not as fast as I'd like, but that's what the car can do. It is cool outside, 51.8 temperature, but otherwise doing good. So we'll set the sat nav to go to Calhoun. That'll be my second charging stop, and we'll be on our way. Yesterday I came up here to this Electrify America charging station installation on my way to Dalton, which is my third charging stop, and it's not a necessary stop, fortunately. And I wanted to check out 2 Blink charging stations in Dalton because they were perpetually broken, and they're Blinks, and that's what's expected because the Blinks are the oldest, I think, of the public charging stations, from back in the, I think 2010, 2011 years. And the hardware just didn't hold up. And I saw recently on PlugShare that the stations had been repaired. So yesterday I drove up, stopped here in Kennesaw, charged up at this installation, stopped in Calhoun, charged at the Calhoun Premium Outlets, and then on to Dalton. And yep, sure enough, the Blinks have been repaired and they're both working. So I may or may not stop there. We'll see what kind of range I have when I get there. But what I'm going to do here is go to, see if I've got Calhoun. Yeah, there's Calhoun there. So that'll be my next waypoint. And we'll go ahead and set it up and get it ready to go. And that is that.